Meaning of fastness.
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 Fastness. Fastness refers to the ability of a material, such as fabric or dye, to resist fading or running when exposed to various conditions, such as light, water, or heat. This property is important in many industries, including textile manufacturing and printing. The measurement of fastness typically involves subjecting the material to specific, controlled conditions and observing the level of color change or running that occurs. Higher levels of fastness indicate better resistance to these conditions and thus a higher quality product. Overall, fastness is an important characteristic to consider when selecting materials for various applications, as it can impact the durability and longevity of the product.